Hi everybody, today I'm downloading Kali Linux for VirtualBox. I'm running Windows 7 and I will be downloading Kali Linux on VirtualBox running on Windows 7. You can see I've searched Google um, with download Kali Linux for VirtualBox, and I'm interested in the offensive security one just here. Once you click the link, it should get you to this homepage, and you can click on this tab, and depending on whichever version you have, whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit OS, you can download one of these. It's a 3.6 gigs, and the version at the time of this recording is from April 2018. For the sake of time, I have already downloaded this file. I will go ahead and bring up my VirtualBox. I'm going to import an appliance, and you can browse to the file. That's what I'm going to do. There we go. That's where it is. And it's just going to show, you can change some of the settings here, but I can say 4096 because I've got plenty of memory. Yeah, I'm happy with everything else. Network adapter, I'm going to make it my Wi-Fi one. Okay, this is the adapter for the machine. That's alright. So import, and it's going to take a few minutes to import because it does the conversion and everything. So I'm going to just pause the recording. As you can see, it starts at 12 minutes and goes down to a couple of minutes. Yeah, it's coming down to a minute, so I'll get back to you guys when it's done. Finally, it finished importing. I'm gonna just have to look for it. There it is. And I'm just gonna start just to see if I'm able to boot up. Okay, it's not working, so let me have a look why. Okay, the error message here suggests that the implementation of USB 2 controller was not found, and it's suggesting us to install the extension pack. If you go to the VirtualBox downloads page, which the link will be in the description, here's the section for downloading the extension pack, and I just downloaded the extension pack just now. Once the download finishes, just double click this and it should bring up install screen. So just go ahead and install, agree to the license agreement. So guys, even that failed. So I have 5.1 version of Oracle VirtualBox, and the extension pack I've downloaded was for 5.2. So I'm going to reinstall Oracle VirtualBox and get back to you. The installation is pretty straightforward. You just download the latest version, 5.2 version, from Oracle VirtualBox download link, which I'm going to paste in the description of this video, and you could do it from there. Okay, finally it's installed. Let's start and see what's going on. Okay, that's alright, that's fine. Okay, so yes, let's start and have a look. Starting up the virtual machine. There we go. yeah, I'm gonna do the configuration later. So I will end this video here. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and if you have any suggestions, please post them in the comments. Thanks. You have a good day. Bye.